An award-winning UK scientist warns that it might be too late to deflect the city-killer asteroid that's headed toward Earth. Discovered hurtling through our galaxy in December 2024, the building-sized space rock is reportedly at the top of NASA's watch list when it comes to deep space dangers. The scientists threw cold water on the defense potential of the DART spacecraft, which was successfully used to knock the 580-foot-wide asteroid Dimorphos off course in 2022. Even if we did alter the trajectory of YR4 2024, it might not be enough to stop it from hitting Earth, said Robin George Andrews, a London volcanologist and author. He noted that many asteroids are loose rubble piles of sand, dirt and boulders tethered tenuously together by gravity. When hit, they could fragment and potentially send interstellar shrapnel hurtling toward Earth. With only a few years down the line, we could accidentally deflect it, but not enough to make it avoid the planet. Then, it still hits Earth, just somewhere else that wasn't going to be hit. Even if the strike was successful, there might not be enough time to significantly alter the asteroid's path, warned the scientist. This outcome could be catastrophic, given that a strike by YR4 would allegedly cause roughly the same amount of damage as the Tunguska event, which laid waste to around 80 million trees in Siberia in 1908. Despite the potential danger, Andrews assured the public that 2024 YR4 will probably miss Earth. But if it doesn't, we have to be wary of trying to save the world but accidentally making the problem worse. Maybe we'll just have to get out of the asteroid's way this time. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content.